Magical Library, a short moral story. Liam loved books, but he never took care of them. He folded pages, left them open in the rain, and even scribbled on them. One day, while exploring his town's old library, he found a hidden wooden door with golden carvings. Curious, he pushed it open. Inside, rows of books floated in midair, glowing with soft light. A deep voice echoed, "Welcome to the magical library. Books here are alive." Liam gasped as a book flapped its pages like wings and another whispered stories into the air. Excited, he grabbed a book, but as he bent its cover too hard, it let out a tiny ouch. The other books fluttered away, hiding. A wise old book landed before him and said, "Stories are treasures. If you mistreat a book, it loses its magic." Feeling ashamed, Liam gently picked up the book and smoothed its pages. Slowly, the books returned, their glow brightening once more. When he left the library, he promised to always respect books. From that day on, every time he opened one, he felt a little spark of magic. Moral: treat books with care, and they will fill your world with knowledge and wonder. Thank you for watching.